Imagine owning a $100 million real estate portfolio and then giving it all up. Welcome to the world of one of the richest and most unpredictable men on the planet. I'm talking about Elon Musk. Once, he controlled a string of multi-million-dollar mansions across Los Angeles and the Bay Area, luxury homes that embodied opulence and extravagance. But by 2020, he decided to sell nearly everything. Today, we're doing a full tour of those properties, what they looked like, what they offered, and why he walked away. From palatial Bel Air estates to a modest tiny home near a rocket launch pad. This is inside Elon Musk's $100 million luxury properties. Let's begin. The Bel Air Empire, mansions, style, and old Hollywood glamour. Between 2012 and 2019, Elon Musk quietly assembled a real estate empire in the exclusive hills of Bel Air, Los Angeles. His crown jewel was a 16,251 square foot mansion, bought in 2012 for about $17 million. It featured at least 7 bedrooms and multiple bathrooms, a 2-story library, a wine cellar, a home theater, even a private gym. Outside, the grounds offered a lighted championship-style tennis court, a pool and spa, lush gardens, and a 5-car garage. It wasn't just one. Over time, he expanded, adding several other properties nearby. Some were vintage houses, others modern or unfinished mansions. His holdings reportedly included 6 separate properties in Bel Air, with total asking or market values exceeding $70 to $100 million. One of these properties stood out, the former home of actor Gene Wilder. Yes, the Willy Wonka of movie fame. Musk purchased that white shingled house in 2013, reports suggest for $6.75 million. Though small by billionaire standards, about 2,800 square feet, it carried Hollywood history and charm. Musk even repurposed that house briefly as a private school for his children and children of employees at his companies. There were also more modern or unfinished mansions. A contemporary mansion with floor-to-ceiling windows and hill or ocean views, another unfinished home project he purchased, and additional neighboring houses that formed a kind of compound. In total, a private network of luxury estates, a physical manifestation of wealth, status, and grandeur. Hillsborough Estate and the Bay Area Retreat. But Musk's real estate ambitions weren't limited to Los Angeles. In 2017, he purchased a sprawling estate in Hillsborough, California, a 16,000 square foot Mediterranean-style mansion set on a vast parcel of land. Some sources say tens of acres. This Hillsborough home featured all the trappings of mega wealth. Multiple bedrooms and bathrooms, lavish interiors, a professional-grade kitchen, a ballroom, hiking trails, landscape gardens, and even amenities like a pool, cabana, and wine cellar. The old-world charm of Mediterranean architecture combined with upper-class comfort made it a standout property among billionaire estates. Though many of his Bel Air mansions showcased Hollywood-style glamour, this was more secluded, serene, a wealthy retreat away from the bustle of Los Angeles. In 2021, Musk sold this estate, marking the end of his multi-property holdings in California. Why sell it all? The 2020 sell-off and youthful minimalism. In May 2020, Musk stunned real estate watchers and fans when he publicly announced that he was selling almost all his physical possessions, including his homes. That wasn't business as usual for a billionaire, but Musk framed it as a choice for freedom. Instead of being tied down by properties, his focus would shift to his ambitions: rockets, colonization, the future. As he reportedly put it, "Don't spend your money on a house, spend it on the rockets." By 2021, nearly all his California mansions, Bel Air, Hillsborough, even the Hillsborough Estate, had been sold. The collective sales reportedly brought in tens of millions of dollars, effectively dismantling his real estate empire. It was a bold pivot from extravagant luxury living to a lean, mobile lifestyle, a rarity among the ultra-wealthy.
The $50,000 prefab, Musk's tiny home in Texas. So after selling the mansions, where did Musk go? to a small, unassuming prefab home near his rocket launch facility. Located near SpaceX's facility in Boca Chica, Texas, near the border/launch pad area, this home is reportedly rented for about $50,000. The tiny house, sometimes described as a boxable casita, is minimalistic, small footprint, basic furnishings, functional design. In stark contrast to his former mansions, this is a space built for practicality and purpose, not opulence. Why this drastic shift? According to Musk, he wanted to live where he makes the future, near rocket launches, innovation, and work. It's a symbolic message, less attachment to material wealth, more focus on mission and mobility. This tiny home has become his legal residence, the official address he uses for voting, filings, and public records. Reflecting the contrast, from chateau-style mansions to minimalist living. This dramatic lifestyle change isn't just about real estate, it's a narrative. On one hand, sprawling mansions with wine cellars, libraries, tennis courts, guest suites, acres of land, symbols of extreme wealth and comfort. On the other, a modest prefab near a rocket pad, built for simplicity, purpose, mobility. It shows a rare truth among ultra-wealthy individuals, that success doesn't always mean permanent luxury, but can sometimes mean freedom from it. For Musk, perhaps the ultimate luxury isn't bricks and marble, but flexibility, focus, and a singular vision for the future. So, there you have it, a full tour of Elon Musk's former $100 million luxury empire and where he calls home now. From Bel Air glamour to a humble prefab near a SpaceX launch site. A journey that tells us as much about ambition as it does about priorities. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe for more inside looks at the homes of the rich and powerful, and let us know in the comments, if you had $100 million to spend on real estate, would you live like a king or like a minimalist astronaut prepping for Mars? Until next time, keep dreaming big and maybe build a rocket.